days Mega Vastu workshop conducted and organized by Guruji Professor Dr. V. Sukumaran on upcoming 10th, 11th, 12th of May 24 at Chennai. Guruji Professor Dr. V. Sukumaran is the world's only allopathy doctor to work on personalized integrated holistic energy therapy. In this workshop, untold science and secrets of Mega Vastu are revealed, technologies to detect and tools to correct are given. Sri Agastya Rishi, Mahaguru of Energy Vastu, works through Guruji in all his energy scanning activities. Basic facts of Vastu science such as Siddha Vastu, Indian Vedic Vastu, German Geo Vastu, Crystal Energy Vastu, American Argo Vastu are offered. Dowsing art through pendulum are offered to check the building power. Crystal power, pyramid magnificence are revealed. Analysis of house map and appropriate solutions are given. Vastu meditation, space cleansing tool to cleanse the space are offered. More than 100 Vastu remedies are introduced in this workshop. Diseases caused by Vastu deficiencies, relationship breakdown, business failure, karmic defects are also discussed. You too can start a career as a Vastu expert.